So today I want to tell you how to build a Lego tornado. So I used a lot, so it may take a lot of my amount of percent in my iPad. So let's start with this piece. We're going outward. That's how it will look like a tornado. Tornadoes are natural disaster. Wow. I'm in trouble. There. Huh. Then we'll keep making it go outward. So we'll start. Now there. So it starts like already tornado to me. And then like this. There and and there. There and we'll there. Whoa. It's moving outward. Oh, I think I kind of want it to be like this. Starting out with this color tornado. We're just making a noise. You want to see it? There. So I start out with this. Oh, can I close the door? Oh, I think it's a little noisy there. So I'll just close the door. Got to do it too. Let's just do this. Maybe I should do a different one. So how about like this? Try there. And then there. Oh, right. Actually, no. Actually, we can't put this in there. Instead, the smaller one. It'll be better if we use smaller. And then there. Can we butter something? Here, Athul, can you not make so much noise? Watch, hold him. Like this. Like that. Just electrons. That's all my brother reads. What's straight about? There, like that. How's that going? Gonna be part 1 and part 2. Okay, so bye. So, part one. I was just thinking if I have enough battery for this, so I'd say it would be part one. Like that. There. A big piece. So it's starting to move outward. Stop. Bird has to stop, make some noise. Just avoid him. What? Unless you know him. Your friend or my friend, maybe you could know him. Maybe not. There. This tornado is starting to move outward. There, we're doing some... Whoa. Like that. Now it's not visible to you, but we're not done with the tornado yet. Should I make it part two? You have to keep attaching it outward. So that's why I'm not showing anything. Because it's just one instruction. You have to build them outward and put these gaps here. So I'm building as if I'm building it on my own. This will take a lot of time. Sorry about that. Sorry about the big part. So I can't. Oh, never mind. Okay. We'll put some stuff in here after we finish it. Oh man. This looks like it's going to break. Oh, what? Oh man. It's just a batter. Oh, never mind. Before we get in trouble. There, and then attach here. Oh, huh? Going to take a lot of time. that? Oh. The parents were coming because I heard a noise. No. Broke. Huh? Oh, oh my God. The bottoms a little bit low. This was, Yeah, look, I have a tornado so far. Okay. This may be the last level. Oh, you do see my brother there. See, oh, I need these. Should be one from there for one for putting inside it, but I saw I wasn't able to, so I put it with this. Or maybe I should put one here. I didn't need this one. This one actually. So the day I made the video, it's raining. Thunderstorms. Patterns. We're going to be done with our tornado soon.
And their interactions. Nucleus. The core of the atom.
Okay, I'm going to be done soon. It's the last one, and then we'll put some stuff in here.
And the nucleus.
Okay. Put some stuff in. In they go. Whoa. Whoa, all these stuff are going to get me. Whoa. Okay. This is the longest video I ever made. 14 minutes? Oh. Whoa! Slow. We don't want this tornado to fall. You know what I'm doing? Putting stuff in it as if it's a real tornado and sucks stuff up. If I'm not supposed to say that word. Or just say got in it. That's a bad word. Maybe I got tornado even if I'm building a tornado, no. What, does a real tornado have to do it? I don't know.